Stories have been used time and time again to pass on our legacy from generation to generation. And sometimes I really wonder why we keep stories out of the business world, especially in regulated environments. We need to start bringing that in. What is the story? All right, let's go. In the very beginning, you are solving a client problem. What are the three areas that we look into when we're looking to change specifically for transformation? Most of the time we are sitting in presentations with Calibri font size 6 to fit as many words as humanly possible on one slide. And we're expecting people on the other end to understand what we're talking about. Somewhere along the line, we've separated the logical world from the creative world, when art and science have been attached to the hip since the dawn of days. This is not a lecture. I'd like you to be part of this. What do we want to achieve by the end of the conference? Or what do we want to achieve by the end of this intervention? What do I want people to feel?